It's a left-handed hitter. He's batting .211 with 1 home run and 33 runs batted in. And Dion tried to start him off with a strike. 1-0 pitch. Swung on, hit in the air toward left field. Cairo toward the line. He's there. He'll make the catch, and there are 2 gone. I promised you Doug Nikhazy's numbers. I should. 9 for 12 on the year. Next pitch, ground ball toward third. Backhanded grab by Cheng. Throws it all the way across the infield, but in time for the out. So the Clippers are done in the 4th inning. He didn't even need to throw. Velasquez was already back on the bag. The 1-0 pitch, swung on and tapped on the right side. Dion chasing for it. He's got it, and he tags the runner before he gets to first, and that's the final out of the inning. And Will Dion for Indianapolis, and the first man he faces is Diane Frias, swinging at the first pitch and skying it on the right side of the infield. Coming all the way across is the third baseman, Tsung-Che Cheng, to make the catch. And he battled with it at the end. It looked like that might have been an easier angle for the first baseman, Flores. And he was coming in and he was checking it, but Cheng called everybody off. Well, actually, he was there, and then he had to make a win. Tsung-Che Cheng is the batter, and Matt Crook's first pitch is outside for ball 1. He tagged him out running toward first base. Next pitch, called a strike. Cheng did not like that and get the pitch, and I think it was the latter of the 2. Next pitch, a high chopper off the plate. Charging Tolentino. Gloves it, throws. Didn't get him. I'll tell you what, Milan Tolentino did all that he could possibly do to try to get that out. But Cheng can run, and he was flying up the first base side. High chopper off the plate. First of all, for Tolentino, just to be able to get that ball on the run, reach out and grab it, and then switch it to the throwing hand in time, that was impressive. Through the first 8 innings. Next pitch, swung on and chopped on the left side. Charging in, the third baseman, Cheng. He throws it across the infield. It will not be in time. Flores, the first baseman, even tried to stretch and go into the splits to get it. But that's going to be an infield hit for Johnny Rodriguez. Tsung-Che Cheng fielding that right near the base. You're trying to